It could be engineers from a very large company. Won't name any names, of course, but or it could be a single individual. He's fixing an old car in his backyard, and he picks up something that says Littelfuse on it, and he needs another one of those. So it could be literally anybody. The questions vary. What is a protection device? It protects a wire from fire if it's a fuse, or it can protect your device from a fire in case it's a lightning blast a couple blocks down. The batteries hold a huge amount of energy. You'll find a lot of fuses in cell phones and MP3 players, all that kind of stuff. They're loaded with protection devices. They have to. More and more energy is getting down to smaller and smaller packages. Electric cars won't even get into that. It's huge. Like the Hubble Space Telescope, for example, we have about 900 fuses on that thing, and some were picked wrong. So it's not just somebody right out of college. These are pretty sophisticated guys. But as the item itself gets more and more complex, it's easier and easier to make mistakes. But fortunately, they were able to go up and change things and got it back operating again. Yeah, they do. I can't talk much about that. But it's very sensitive, and the kind of things that they want doesn't exist, and which is quite often the case. The physics, we're stuck with the physics of what the parts are, what they do, and they want a little bit more than that. The main issue with selecting a fuse is something called I squared T, which is the amount of energy it takes to melt the fuse wire. And there's constant misunderstanding of what that means.